Today I'll walk you through step by step how to permanently delete a workspace on ClickUp, including what to do before you pull the trigger so you don't lose anything important. ClickUp is one of the most powerful project management platforms available, and while most people are focused on building workspaces, there are plenty of legitimate reasons to remove one. You might be consolidating accounts, winding down a project, or simply starting fresh. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe. It genuinely helps the channel, and let's get started. The very first thing you need to understand is that only the workspace owner can delete a workspace in ClickUp. This is not a task for admins or members, no matter how elevated their permissions are. So before anything else, make sure you are logged in with the account that originally created the workspace, or the account to which ownership has been formally transferred. If you are not the owner, you will not see the deletion option at all, and no amount of digging through settings will surface it. Log in, confirm your role, and then proceed. Once you are in your account, you need to switch to the specific workspace you want to delete. ClickUp allows you to belong to multiple workspaces under a single login, so you need to be actively viewing the correct one before making any changes. Look at the top left corner of the screen. That is where your workspace name and avatar live. Click the workspace name or the drop-down arrow to see a list of all workspaces tied to your account, and select the one you intend to remove. This step sounds obvious, but deleting the wrong workspace is an irreversible mistake, so take a moment and confirm the name before moving on. Now click the workspace avatar, that icon or logo in the very top left corner. This is your gateway into the workspace level controls, and clicking it opens a menu that gives you access to high-level options including settings, billing, and more. From that menu, you want to select Settings. This will open the main settings panel, which covers everything from your workspace name and branding to integrations and member management. Once you are inside settings, look for the workspace settings section specifically. It may be listed in the left-hand sidebar as its own category, and navigate into it. Before you go any further, pause here. This is the most important moment in the entire process, reviewing what is actually stored in this workspace. Go through your spaces, folders, lists, tasks, documents, and any automations or integrations you have built. Think about whether any of this data is referenced by other tools, whether team members are relying on it, or whether there are files and attachments you will need later. ClickUp deletion is permanent and complete. There is no recycle bin, no 30-day grace period, no support ticket that will restore it. What is gone is gone. With that in mind, export everything you want to keep before you continue. ClickUp offers data export options typically found within the settings area that allow you to download your workspace content in formats like CSV or Excel. If you have documents or attachments, download those individually. If you have custom automations or integrations, make note of how they were configured. This step takes time, but it is the only safety net you have. Skipping it is a risk no amount of convenience justifies. Once you are satisfied that everything valuable has been saved, scroll all the way to the bottom of the workspace settings page. ClickUp places the deletion option at the very bottom intentionally. It is a deliberate design choice to prevent accidental discovery. You will find a section or a button labeled Delete Workspace. Read whatever descriptive text appears near it, as ClickUp sometimes displays a brief warning or summary right there on the page before you even click. Go ahead and click Delete Workspace. At this point, ClickUp will present you with a permanent deletion warning. Read it carefully and completely. Do not simply dismiss it. This warning will typically outline exactly what will be destroyed: all tasks, all spaces, all members, all data. It exists to ensure you are making an informed, deliberate choice. If anything in that warning surprises you, close the dialog and go back to review your data again. To confirm your intent, ClickUp will ask you to enter a specific confirmation phrase, usually the name of the workspace, or to re-enter your account password, depending on your version. Type exactly what is requested. This confirmation step exists as a final friction point, a last line of defense against accidental deletion, and it must match precisely or the process will not proceed. Before you click the final confirm button, take one last look at the information on screen. Confirm the workspace name matches what you intend to delete. Confirm you are not about to remove the wrong account. This final review costs you 5 seconds and could save you significant regret. When you are certain, click Confirm Delete. ClickUp will now process the deletion request. Depending on the size of the workspace and current server load, this may happen almost instantly, or it may take a few moments. Do not click away, refresh the page, or interrupt the process. Simply wait until ClickUp confirms that the deletion is complete and redirects you. Once the process finishes, verify that the workspace no longer appears in your account. Click the workspace switcher in the top left corner and confirm it is absent from the list. If it is gone, the deletion was successful. If it still appears, try refreshing the page. In rare cases, there is a brief delay before the interface updates. And that is everything you need to delete a workspace on ClickUp safely and completely. You have backed up your data, navigated the settings, confirmed your intent, and permanently removed the workspace from your account. If you ever need to revisit these steps, save this video. It will walk you through the process again anytime you need it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.